Okay, so I'm working on my propeller. I got the bolts off, and I got all these crazy pulleys, and nothing fits. I thought this would have worked, but it's not thick enough, so it's not gonna work. This is a one to take special power steering pulley. That thread is not the right one. These got all different ones. This one goes in, but then it stops. It's not the right. It stops right there. So I want to strip it. And this is like a nice kit, but none of these work. This one's way too big. This is actually, this is the same style but smaller. Well, back to the drawing board. I gotta get these puppies out and line them up like it's supposed to. So when this one's like this one's gotta be up here, not down. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fidel's Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a stock pedal from a kayak pedal drive. So stick with me and let's get started. Alright, so to start we're going to need a 2-jaw pulley. And that's it right there. And we're going to need a 1/2 inch drive ratchet. And also we're going to need a 5/8 1/2 inch socket. And last, we're going to need a bottle of WD-40. This one's Specialist Penetrating Fast Acting WD-40. This one's pretty good. Or you could use PB Blast as well. So what I did to work nice and comfortable, I sat the propeller drive on the trash can there. Small basket there. And that way I could sit it down there and work nice and comfortable. Alright, so next, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some WD-40 and we're going to spray it in there and just let it soak a little bit. Alright, the next thing you're going to need is a 1/4 inch. This is a 9mm socket, and you want it for it to fit right in that shaft, but make sure it doesn't get stuck. You have it nice and center, and you don't want it for it to go in the hole. You want it for it to cover the space right there. And then we're going to put the puller on it. Alright, so we let it soak for a while with the WD-40. We have our spacer there, and now we're going to crank the pulley to get the pedal off. And it didn't take too long to pop out of the shaft. It came right out real fast. I couldn't do this even if I tried with all my might. It's just, it needed that puller to come out. So now we're going to do the next side. Alright, now this other side is in a lot more, so we're going to have to let this soak, hit it with the PB Blast, and put the pulley in. Alright, so I'm hitting it with the PB Blast, and we're going to let that soak for a little bit, and then we're going to put the pulley on. Alright, so I'm going to do a better close-up putting the socket in. It's going to sit right in there, nice and center. Then we're going to take our 2-jaw pulley and we're going to sit it in and center everything. Okay. Now we're gonna get the ratchet and crank it down. Alright, so it's been sitting for a while. Now we're gonna just ratchet it down now. And it came out like butter. This tool makes this job so easy. I mean, I tried so hard trying to take it by hand and I couldn't even budge it. And look how fast. There you have it, guys. This is the 2-jaw pulley to remove the pedal drives when they're stuck or if you installed it wrong. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, so for conclusion, I have a special bonus for you guys. I'm going to show you how to install the pedals on the pedal drives the correct way. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit of anti-seize on that shaft. Very, very light. I have some Q-tips and I'm just going to lightly, you don't want to get it inside the threads, just a nice slide. So when we put the pedal, it slides in nice, and if you have to take it out again, it'll come out a lot smoother. Okay, you don't need a lot, just very, very little. Some people don't even put it, but because I couldn't get it off the first time, I'm just gonna do this just for in the future. All right, so I got the anti-seize on. Now I'm gonna take. All right, so we're gonna take our left pedal. And just want to show you, most of them, they're all like labeled. So this is the left side. So if the propeller is facing you, all right, the left side is going to be to your left. Okay, so left side, left. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this one, we're going to install this one facing down. Okay, so this pedal right here is down. Most mistakes that people do is they'll take this and they'll just put it like that. Some will put it like this, and some will put it like this. So there's different ways that you could mess up and put these incorrectly. It happened to me, and I'm very meticulous on how I do things. All right, but I'm going to show you so it don't happen to you. All right, so back to the left side. This is facing down, and this is the right side. It's stamped right. Correct way to do this is you want this facing up. Okay, so left pedal facing down and right pedal facing up. Now that we have that installed correctly, it's got to be the opposite of each other. Now I showed you how you could mess it up. You could put it all different ways, like this, like that, and like that, you know. So the correct way is one down and the other one up. All right, so now we're going to take our bolt and install it. Now these threads here, don't ever put nothing in there, okay? So we're just going to take our bolt, and this side, the right side, goes to the right. Now see how smooth it goes, nice. Make sure you don't over tighten these, all right? All right, so we got that snug. Now we're gonna do the other side. All right, we're gonna do the left bolt, and the left side is actually gonna go towards the left. It's gonna turn towards the left. Okay, nice and smooth. Okay, and just check this side again, and there you have it.
Alright, so let's get back in the water. If you like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and if you have a comment, just leave it on the comment section below. I would love to hear your story. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.